Welcome to the clay hut experience. First of all, our pentagon is set in place. Here we go. The bulk work of the fiddling is done. 2 windows inside, and probably today we're gonna go and do the walls with the sausage clay method. Over there, everything prepared. We have the mixing area. We get some more sand, and then we put the sausage here on top. Other fiddling is involved with the beams. Probably have to screw them. They're not screwed yet. And then the door, because here where the door comes, there is this big window coming on top. Also, we want to do beams over here, from this pillow over this pillow, and from here to here and there as well. So this will give this structure some more strength. I think the bolting or the screwing of the middle beams will also give more strength to the whole thing. And yeah, the straight beams, they're not so straight, as you can see here, somewhat inclinated, which is kind of a problem if you consider the movement that's going on top. Yeah, so we need some straight beams, and here you see already some supporting poles, because this is quite a tricky one. As for the second floor, this will all be open here, and then we have a second floor here in this area, and here in this area. We are still thinking if we do a floor here in this middle pentagon. If there comes a floor, if we build a floor, then this floor will be removable so that you can take it off. Yeah, it looks pretty good today. We've coming a long way. And now the walls. And this will be a completely new challenge, because I don't know the technique. Marco knows it. We all have to get used to it, and it's quite a lot of surface area we have to cover. I hope this will work out soon, but now let's say the monotonous work comes, building the walls. Okay guys, thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, share it with your friend, and see you in the next one, when we probably see here the first wall being built. Thanks for watching. I'm your Journeyman. See you in the next one.